Hi everyone, it's me Zarina as always, your friend from Malaysia. Apa kabar? How is your practice going on? Try to practice them every day. Are you interested in speaking Malay colloquially? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. All details are in the description box down below. Today, we will learn about day, week, and month in Malay language. I guess today's lesson will be a short and simple one. Let's start with the days. In Malay, day is called as hari. Hari. First and foremost, the name of the days in Malay resemble a lot of those in Arabic. For those who are familiar with Arabic language, will be able to memorize this with little challenge. Ahad, Sunday. Isnin, Monday. Selasa, Tuesday. Rabu, Wednesday. Khamis, Thursday. Jumaat, Friday. Sabtu, Saturday. Hari-hari, every day. Setiap hari, every day. Hari Minggu, Sunday. Examples. Hari ini hari Ahad. Today is Sunday. Hari ini hari apa? What day is today? Bila hari jadi kamu? When is your birthday? Bila hari cuti kamu? When is your holiday? In Malay, week is called as minggu. We don't really have a specific name of each week, but these phrases may come in handy. Minggu-minggu, weeks. Beberapa minggu, a few weeks. Minggu pertama, first week. Minggu kedua, second week. Minggu ketiga, third week. Minggu keempat, fourth week. Minggu paling awal, the earliest week. Minggu paling akhir, the final week. Minggu lepas, last week. Minggu depan, next week. Hujung minggu, weekend. Examples. Minggu ini saya sangat sibuk. This week I am very busy. Saya akan pergi ke Singapura minggu depan. I will go to Singapore next week. Minggu paling akhir bulan ini adalah minggu melawat Malaysia. The final week of this month is Visit Malaysia's week. Adakah kamu akan berhenti kerja pada minggu kedua bulan ini? Are you going to quit working at the second week of this month? In Malay, month is called as bulan. Bulan also has another meaning, which is moon in English. There is not much difference of the name of the months in Malay language against English language except for a few differences in spelling them. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Examples. Kamu lahir bulan apa? Which month were you born? Saya akan berkahwin pada bulan Disember. I will get married on December. Bulan terawal adalah bulan Januari. The earliest month is January. Bulan lepas saya berhenti kerja. I quit working last month. Macam mana pelajaran hari ini? How is the lesson today? Do you find anything that you need to know more from the lesson? If you do, don't forget to check out the blog at ilearnmalay.blogspot.com for complete transcription of this lesson. You may also download this lesson in PDF form in the blog and other previous episodes too. Don't forget to leave comments, questions, or you may comment at this YouTube video as well. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helps. Sampai jumpa lagi.